Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. In last video, we learn the problems on formation of partial differential equation of two constant and two independent variable. Means number of arbitrary constant is equal to number of independent variable. If number of arbitrary constant is equal to number of independent variable, then if we find partial differential equation from given function, we will get that partial differential equation is of order 1. But now here we have to solve the problems on number of arbitrary constant is more than number of independent variable. Means one note is there, if number of arbitrary constant is more than the number of independent variable, then we get partial differential equation of second order or higher order. Means if number of arbitrary constant is more than number of independent variable. For example, in this problem, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square plus z square upon c square equal to 1a. So here we have to consider z is function of x and y. So z is dependent variable, x and y are independent variable. So number of independent variables are 2 here and arbitrary constants are 3, that is a, b, c. So if we find partial differential equation of this, then we get that differential equation is of order 2 or higher than 2. Okay, and if we solve such type of problems, then we get different partial differential equations. Means the answer is not unique. हर एक का आंसर जो आएगा वो अलग अलग हो सकता है, that is not unique. Okay, so we will take first problem on this, that is obtain the partial differential equation by eliminating a, b, c from x square upon a square plus y square upon b square plus z square upon c square equal to 1. So we have to find here partial differential equation of this. So we will start solution. Given function is x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1. Suppose this is equation 1 and we have to find partial differential equation by eliminating a, b, c here. So number of arbitrary constants are 3, number of independent variables are 2 and z is function of x and y. So z is dependent variable, x and y are independent variables. So how we solve such type of problems? We have to take first method is same. First differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x and y. Okay, or if you take derivative, you can use different method for elimination of a, b, c. So if you take suppose first derivative of 1 with respect to x, that derivative is 2x upon a square plus derivative of middle term is 0 plus derivative of z square is 2z upon c square into derivative of z is dabba z by dabba x equal to 0. I think if we simplify this and again if we take one derivative, because number of arbitrary constant is more than number of independent variables, we have to differentiate 2 times. So instead of differentiating with respect to x, if we simplify this, means if we divide throughout by 2, 2 get cancelled, and from this equation we can write z by c square into dabba z by dabba x is equal to minus x by a square. Okay, so using this, if we write constant term in one side, because we have to eliminate only constant, so this can be written as z into dabba z by dabba x, means x इस साइड में लो अपॉन x हो जाएगा, is equal to minus c square upon a square. Okay, so this is a equation 1. Now we have to eliminate only constants. So if you observe here equation 1 carefully, we can eliminate c and a easily here by taking derivative. Okay, means हमारा टारगेट क्या है, वी हैव टू एलिमिनेट ए बी सी. वो कैसे भी एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं आप, इसका डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स लो, वाई लो, अगेन डिफरेंशिएट 2 टाइम्स, एलिमिनेट. यू कैन यूज एनी मेथड here. So if we differentiate this partially with respect to x again, means equation 2, if we differentiate partially with respect to x, then we will get derivative of this constant term is 0. So constant term के derivative 0 आए तो constant automatic eliminate हो जाएगा. So for differentiation if we rewrite this equation as say 1 by x z into dabba z by dabba x is equal to minus c square upon a square. Now take derivative, you use u into v rule because we have to differentiate with respect to x here. Suppose 1 by x as it is, what is derivative of z into dabba z by dabba x? Z is also function of x here, so again you have to use u into v rule. Keep z as it is, derivative of dabba z by dabba x is dabba square z by dabba x square, and plus dabba z by dabba x as it is into derivative of this z with respect to x is again dabba z by dabba x. This is u into derivative of v plus v, that is z into dabba z by dabba x, keep as it is, and derivative of this 1 by x is minus 1 upon x square is equal to derivative of this RHS is 0. देखो ये इक्वेशन में डायरेक्टली कांस्टेंट एलिमिनेट हो गए. सो दिस इज आवर रिक्वायर्ड डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, रिक्वायर्ड पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. और इफ यू सिंप्लीफाई दिस, here x a, here x square a, multiply both side by x, then we will get z into dabba square z by dabba x square plus this dabba z by dabba x into dabba z by dabba x, that is dabba z by dabba x bracket square. Here plus minus minus, x ने multiply किया तो 1x get cancel, z upon x into dabba z by dabba x equal to 0. So this is the required partial differential equation of given function. Or we can write here solution z into, we know dabba square z by dabba x square is r plus dabba z by dabba x is p, so p square minus z by x into p equal to 0. You can write this or this, both are same. Now we will take next problem is find the partial differential equation by eliminating a, b, c from z equal to ax plus by plus cxy. So here z depends on x and y, so number of arbitrary constants are again a, b, c, and number of independent variables are 2, that is x and y. So we have to find partial derivative of this. We get here partial derivative of order 2 or more than 2 because number of arbitrary constant is more than number of independent variable. So suppose given equation is z is equal to ax plus by plus cxy. This is equation 1. Now we can use any method here for elimination of this a, b, c. So suppose if we differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x and y, okay, then we will get first derivative, that is dabba z by dabba x is equal to a plus derivative of by is 0 plus cy, okay, and dabba z by dabba y equal to derivative of ax is 0 plus derivative of by is b plus cx. So if you observe this dabba z by dabba x, dabba z by dabba y यहाँ से तो एलिमिनेट नहीं होंगे, यदि होंगे भी तो हमें फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन मिलेगा. और कंसेप्ट इज इफ नंबर ऑफ आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट इज मोर देन नंबर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल देन फाइंड सेकंड ऑर्डर और हायर ऑर्डर. सो अगेन डिफरेंशिएट दिस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, सपोज दिस इज 2, so differentiate 2 with respect to x, and this is say 3 with respect to y. This is one way. So if we take derivative of this, that derivative is dabba square z by dabba x square is equal to 0. Constant, this is constant, this is constant, the derivative is 0. And dabba z by dabba y, if we differentiate with respect to y, then derivative of dabba z by dabba y is dabba square z by dabba y square. This is also 0 because with respect to y, b is constant, cx is constant. So here RHS is same, and if RHS is same, then LHS is also same. So using these two, we can write final differential equation is dabba square z by dabba x square is equal to dabba square z by dabba y square. That is dabba square z by dabba x square minus dabba square z by dabba y square equal to 0. Or we can write here r square minus t square equal to 0. So this is the final answer of this. Now this is one way. Another way, you can differentiate this with respect to y, this with respect to x also, means we get different answer. Answer is not unique. देखो इसका डेरिवेटिव with respect to y लिया तो क्या आएगा, dabba square z by dabba x dabba y equal to c, and इसका डेरिवेटिव with respect to x लिया तो क्या आएगा, dabba square z by dabba y dabba x equal to c. दोनों की सब्सट्रैक्शन की तो सी गेट कैंसल, आंसर मिलेगा डाबा स्क्वायर जेड बाय डाबा एक्स डाबा वाई माइनस डाबा स्क्वायर जेड बाय डाबा वाई डाबा एक्स इक्वल टू 0। मीन्स ये भी एक आंसर हो सकता है इसका। ओके, so these are these two problems on number of arbitrary constant is more than number of independent variable. In next video we will start second method, that is how to eliminate arbitrary function from given function, and after elimination of that arbitrary function how to find partial differential equation. That we will see in next video. Thank you.